we're trying to be, the first action couple or something like that, let's say. But
Well,
we are rebels in love, and this is what we do. No?
this is a part of what we do.
This
Yeah.
stand up for what we love, stand up for each other, and if something comes our way, then that's how we express ourselves. But yeah, I think एक अलग किस्म की एक्शन दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं हम. तो उसे लेकर बहुत मेहनत हुई. We worked very hard, a lot of action workshops, a lot of training, um, trying to introduce the martial art that's originated in India. Um, so that being said, it was a very difficult, it was a very challenging physical journey. We've taken a bit from a lot of people, a lot of different martial arts, and tried to fuse it into one, and try to create something new in Bagi for our Indian viewers.
I've done as much action as I could given the little time that I had to train, and I have a few action sequences, not at all as many as Tiger has, but I've tried to do my best in it. This is the first time this level of action is being seen in Hindi films, and I feel really, really so blessed and so proud that I could get this opportunity to star with him in our film. He's really what he has to offer as an actor. I feel it's just amazing what he does. It's outstanding, the kind of action that he does, the way that he dances. He's truly one of a kind, and it's amazing to have worked with him. Yes, I would want feedback from him after I would have done my action sequence, and he would be very sweet and very encouraging, which was much needed, extremely required at that time.
She thinks I'm sweet, but I was only being honest to her. Why would I want my heroine to look like a fool on screen when she's doing action? So that being said, if she was doing something wrong, I would definitely correct her, to make her look the best she can. Because I know that this is the first time she's doing action and she had this much X amount of time to train. But when she was doing it, there was nothing I could say to her. Literally, after seeing the monitor, Sabir sir, literally, I was stretching on the other side. He called me. He's like, Taigi, see this, our director, Sabir sir. So now seeing her do these kicks and, do all these action stuff, and I was like, wow, looks like she's been doing this for years. So it was very very inspiring to look at Shraddha, just do action. I mean, something so alien to her, and she made it look like she's been doing for years, like I said. So yeah, we were all very happy, and there was not much I could guide.